My name's Kevin. My channel is The Blind Luck / Mechanic. A little bit about me. You already know my name's Kevin. I've been blind since 2008. Try to show my cane here. That's my mobility cane. That's what I'll be getting around with. Oh, sorry about that. And our first project for the day is locating our 79 Chevrolet Scottsdale C10. It's a blue truck. If you see it, shout it out. Just kidding. Don't name my vehicles, so it's just known as the blue truck. But here we go. I'm gonna try to locate it. Sorry if the camera's kind of jumpy. I'll be heading to the edge of our concrete here, and then somewhere around in here, dropped my cane. Should come in contact with a tree. From there, I know to go over this way to our other carport. I'll work my way over to the edge here, and then I believe the truck is somewhere that way. Somewhere in between here and there is a fire pit. I'm gonna try to find it first and then work out from there. Nope. Do believe I passed it. There's the other tree. It tells me I'm a little bit off path from where I thought I was. If you hear some whistling, I do like a primitive version of echolocation, kind of like bats do. I believe I'm near something. Hey, looky there. Found it. Let me put my stick up. Well, I'll just drop it on the ground. And we're going to be removing the battery. Well, shoot. First, let's see what it'll do. Alright, doors unlocked. Not that key. Hard to do one-handed. Let's see what it'll do. Hey! Nope. It's too dead to ever start. Has the old Quadrajet on it, and it's my understanding that when they were cast, they had some sort of hole in them that they filled in with lead or some kind of sorter. Nope, dead. And over the years, I don't know if it's this new ethanol or not new ethanol gas, but if it's ethanol gas or just regular gasoline, it eats away at the sorter, and then the bowls leak down. So if you don't drive the truck often, which this one doesn't get driven often, you have to start on it a long time in order to get the bowls filled up. Set you down for 1 second. I'm gonna pop the hood. Anyways, you have to crank on the starter a long time to get the bowls of the carburetor filled up for it to start pulling gas in. Last time I tried starting it, killed the battery. Well, almost killed the battery. So I'm going to take the battery off to take to my shop and charge it up. I don't have any tools, so I'm going to try and do it the quick and dirty way. Don't recommend this. I'm sure it can mess some things up, but I don't really care today. But there's the old side post battery, and you're just going to grab a hold of the battery cable. Let's see, we'll actually do this kind of right. We'll take the positive off first. I think that's right. And you just grab a hold of it and push down on it. Hope that it loosens up enough. Ratcheting like mechanism. Don't make a liar out of me. Once again, hard to do one-handed. It's gonna come, it's gonna take a second. Come on. There we go. Put that aside. As you can see, positive. I believe that's the positive. I can feel the plus symbol there. Battery cable off. Let's try for the negative. Ground, whatever you want to call it.
Portrait flip. Stop recording video. Button. Landscape. Home button to the right.
There we go. Sorry about that, guys and girls. Negative, or the ground's gonna cooperate a little bit easier. Oh, I don't have a battery held in on this. Lost it years ago, and apparently this battery does not have a strap to carry it by. Okay, guys, that's gonna be the end of this video. I've got to pick this battery up and get my cane back in my hand, which my cane's just right down there. And I've got to navigate down that way, if you can see. Big red building. That's my shop. It's actually an old chicken house, but gets me out of the rain, gets me out of the wind. Kind of panning the camera around. That way I might actually capture it. But get the battery down there, get it on charge. Might make a video of me from the charger. If I do, I'll add it to this. Thanks for watching. Engine is a mighty 305 cubic inch with a 4-barrel carburetor. Except for it's a quadrajet, quadrabog I like to call them. Nothing special about it. Just a stock 305 with a 4-barrel. It's a stock or a factory 4-barrel. Mated to a TH350 transmission and a 10-bolt Chevrolet rear end. Nothing special. I don't know the rear gear. I think it's pretty low though. Maybe like a 373. It only being a 3-speed. And when it gets dry, it's humming pretty good, about maybe 3,000 RPM. Doesn't have a tack in it, but it's kind of high. RPMs are kind of high at cruise. The truck originally had a 2-barrel in it, so probably had a little bit of a lower gear in it to help the 2-barrel out. Just 15-inch Chevy truck rallies. Only thing that's really nice on the truck is the interior. I've had the seat recovered, the visors recovered. It's got new door panels, new dash pad, new LMC old rubber floor mat, new LMC 3-point seat belts. That one doesn't seem to be retracting. Oh, it's because the buckle's way up. There we go. Grant steering wheel. Truck only has 70,000 original miles on it. We'll learn some more about it in upcoming videos. But like I said, I'm gonna get this battery off here, try to get to my shop, and if I do try to hook the charger up, I'll post a video of that. Appreciate it. Thank you for watching.